Hi Deepika, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, Priyanka. What about you?
I'm doing great. So as I told you, right? So this session is all about, women's health celebrations and, her health matters. So I invited you, to share your also thought, like how you have taken up your journey towards health. So before that, our viewers would love to know about your background, Deepika, what do you do? Where do you stay right now? And what do you do by profession?
So, professionally, I am a IT recruiter. You can say talent acquisition. I have overall 6+ years of experience. So, till 2023 December, I was working for North America. So, I was doing completely night shift. And right now, I am in Vadodara. So, companies here name is assigned on. So, where I was working for North America, where we placed IT candidate for our own company project. But 6 years of night shift, no doubt, give me a money, but give me obesity, give me gas problem, and lot of things. So somehow, and also there was no shift timing at all. There was no schedule at all. But yes, somehow as the time passed, I changed my priority, and I started looking for to improve my health journey by professionally, by mentally, each and everything. So that is how I started my journey.
Amazing, Deepika. So as you told, right? So along with when it comes to night shift, along with the job, it comes as a package, all the health conditions. And it's not only you have worked with so many, especially those who just started their career at the initial stage, if they get into this shift job, right? Their health goes for a complete toss, all the issues, especially for women, PCOD, PCOS, all other health issues also comes up. So I'm very happy that you thought about it. I have it's a right time to start your journey. So why don't you tell like what are the other health challenges you had been facing while you were in shift, and right now what all improvement you're observing in terms of your health?
Yes, no doubt. Somehow I learned from you that what to eat, what not to eat. I learned about the processed food, and I learned about the refined oil that I was not completely aware of it, because somehow in our family nobody knows about it. Uh, I am from North India, so we generally eat 3 times chapatis. You can say roti, sabji, right? We are used to of eating sometime paratha in the morning, even breakfast. So somehow I realized that my lifestyle of eating anything anytime is just taking my life, taking me away from somewhere. I don't know where. So I was feeling incomplete. I was not completely, I was just focusing on my work, but not on my health. So but after some time I realized it's time to focus on the health, because if I have a health, I can earn money in longer term. What if I earn the money and I spend it to the doctor, right? So that is how I thought of started my weight loss journey. And I'm also working on my gut health. It's all started from gut health, right, Priyanka?
Absolutely true. It all starts with our gut, and once we focus on our root causes behind our ill health, right, we can definitely improve our health conditions. And you rightly mentioned you're focusing on the right areas, so that obviously weight loss will be the byproduct of that. And if you can tell, what are the other changes you have been observing in terms of your health and fitness level, what all changes you've been observing?
So, I have no doubt I was a early bird, and I am the early bird just because of my mom. My mom used to be wake up early in the morning and made tiffin and like that. So I grew up seeing her. So all these things come to me eventually. So that morning I started yoga with you. Then I am cooking my lunch and breakfast to myself. And it's been 30 days with you, and single day I didn't eat any food from outside. So that's what and after that I have to do the 9-hour office shift and come back to the home. Then again I have to get ready for my lunch. So this been a struggle plus adventure, if I'll say, because now I know what I am eating, how much amount of oil I am using, how much amount of masala I am using in my vegetables, and that is making me happy that I cooked it, I am eating myself. Yeah, there is a challenges, but somehow eventually the day passes. I am doing that now, like that things.
So true, so true. So yeah, many times I've seen, yeah, it's a good thing that you have been cooking, but I've seen that, when cooks are cooking, we don't have any clue how much oil they're using, how much, they're, like, how fast they're cooking. But yeah, definitely for some professionals I have seen, they have to depend on the cook. I also had, but yeah, it's all about training them also. Because see, we are paying them for the work they are doing. If we don't take care of that part also, it's a difficult thing, isn't it? So to so amazing to know that you have also taken up the complete charge of your food part. And I know, it's just that 1 month you have started your journey, but it is going to pay you off in a multiple dividends in upcoming years to go.
So right. So true, Priyanka. Even, I understand all these kind of importance, and that is why I started looking for a coach where she can guide me mentally, physically. She will be available, and you are there for me, thank God. So, it is making my life easy, because somehow I feel stuck because of lot of pressure, the amount of the work I am doing from the office. I don't know what to do at this time. I wanted to be stay healthy, plus I wanted to be grow professionally, you know, and I have to take care of myself in the longer term, right? These all been challenges I am facing. Even I am taking some courses as well, so I can grow in professionally very fast. So, but I am taking charge of my life, because somehow I realize, uh, if anyone can make me happy, that is me.
So true.
So the moment I realized, I took all these things on my hand, and somehow when I am happy, the people around me is also happy. So that is how I thought that is how I can add some value in other people as well, and that's what I am, dreaming and aiming for the future. If I can be the person who can add values to other people, so I am on that journey right now.
Wow. So I'm listening this thing from a late 20 girl. It is a music to the ear, who thinks in that aspect that, okay, whatever good, bad is happening it's in our hand, we can change. So that's amazing. So we've already passed a lot of message to the, young generation woman. But yeah, definitely, I would love to hear certain message for all the women out there, in this special occasions of International Women's Day. If you want to pass any message, Deepika, what would be that? Yeah.
So the one message I really wanted to pass to the women: please support other women. This has been, we are lacking from so many years, that woman is not supporting to other women. You know, they always have some jealous, some kind of feelings like that. So if you really wanted to have good environment around yourself, start helping others. So that is how you will create your value, credibility in front of other people, you know and somehow you feel that you are more than happy, you are living life more than you think, like that. So these all are things are important. So the message I have: support other women, like that things.
Absolutely, so true, so true. It's and also, it's very important. Sometimes also we have seen that somebody is doing something in terms of health in office and all people. So you're doing dieting, Yeah, I always tell people, at least if you're not doing, encourage others. Somebody is thinking about it, encourage that, so that they can do it peacefully. At least someone is setting a right example. We should absolutely appreciate them and value them as well. So lovely talking to you, Deepika. I know you are on your journey towards your betterment of your health, your life, and I am very sure you will get it done. So we'll meet up once again, in upcoming podcasts, in upcoming series, and inspiring many more women.
Sure. Thank you so much, Priyanka. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity.